let you know what you can expect every Monday through the month of August. August 3rd, 2020. This one actually turns out pretty good. You should try this recipe.
Do you know how to cut a leek?
I thought that I would try to make a potato and leek soup. Again, I've never made a potato soup. I've never used leek in anything, so it's a new one. Monday, August 10th, 2020. This one actually took a page out of the potato leek soup book and tried a sweet potato leek soup. But I kind of pranked my husband by making it a little spicy.
It was like a baby threw up. Well,
it may
have been the other end. I can't quite tell. Woo! Holy crap, that is hot. I don't mean hot, I mean it is spicy. What did you put in it?
I got him! So you're going to want to tune in on August 10th when that video premieres. On August 17th, I'm going to have a video where I make, or try to make, almond butter. I'm going to use the nut butter button, and it took me a little while to get it going, but the end result is pretty tasty. Can she make it? Yes, she can. It just took her a little while. On August 24th, I'm going to go back to the oven and we're going to try Wild Mike's Pizza. We're going to find out whether I'm wild about it or not. If this pizza and a freschetta pepperoni pizza were side by side,
Oh, no contest.
I'm coming to you with a brand new pizza. It says that it is the ultimate pizza. So I wanted to know whether this ultimate pizza would beat freschetta in a taste test. On August 31st, I'm going to do a broccoli and cheddar cheese soup with a twist. It's going to have a couple carrots in it. This one actually turned out pretty good too. My husband loved it, so you might want to jot the recipe down. Ooh, I got a Hi, welcome back to Can She Make It? Yes, I'm going to try another soup. We're going to try broccoli and cheddar soup and see how that works. That's what you can expect every Monday on Like It or Not. And by the way, just in case you forget to subscribe to the channel, you can do a search with all the words together, Like It or Not YT, in YouTube, and it will bring up our channel or our channel videos. There are a couple other videos that are planned for August, but they've not been quite completed yet, so I'm not going to do those in these preview videos, but stay tuned through August because on occasional Wednesday or Fridays, an occasional video might pop up. Or you could just hit the notification bell and get notified when we post new stuff. Seems like a win-win. All right, well, that's all I have for you for the August 2020 preview. And comment below and tell me which video you're looking forward to seeing the most. All right, talk to you later. Bye. for you to see the potato leek soup one because I just find it funny. And then the spicy sweet potato. My husband's reaction is priceless. And then of course there's the Wild Mike's pizza review. Oh, I just don't know. I like them all. All right. Come back to the channel. So stay tuned for that day. I know, I didn't like that.